Ever wondered how much investing with Stashaway really costs? You're not alone. Many people are curious about the fees involved and whether it's a worthwhile investment for their financial goals. In this video, we'll break down the Stashaway fees, explore different plans, and help you decide if it's the right fit for your investing journey. Stashaway is a popular digital investment platform known for its automated investing strategies and user-friendly interface. They offer a range of investment options, from risk-tolerant portfolios to more conservative ones, making it accessible to investors of all levels. But before you dive in, understanding the cost is crucial. Stashaway's primary fee is the management fee. This fee covers the costs of managing your investments, including portfolio rebalancing, research, and technology. The management fee varies depending on the plan you choose. Simple plan, generally considered the most affordable, with lower management fees. Go plan offers personalized investment advice and a dedicated relationship manager, but comes with higher management fees. ESG plan focuses on investments that align with environmental, social, and governance principles and may have slightly higher fees. Important note, these are general guidelines. The exact fees can vary based on the specific portfolio you select and the amount you invest. Other fees. Trading fees. You might incur trading fees when buying or selling assets within your portfolio. Currency conversion fees. If you invest in foreign currencies, you'll likely encounter currency conversion fees. Finding the exact cost. Stashaway website. The most reliable source for accurate fee information is the Stashaway website itself. They usually have a dedicated fee schedule page with detailed breakdowns. Stashaway app. The app also provides information about fees associated with each plan and portfolio. Decision making. When evaluating Stashaway's fees, consider your investment goals. What are you hoping to achieve with your investments? Your risk tolerance. How much risk are you comfortable taking with your money? Your budget. How much can you afford to pay in fees? Compare Stashaway's fees with other investment platforms to find the most cost-effective option for your situation. Remember that lower fees don't always equate to better performance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.